Hi everyone, this will help show you how to check out what the live activities will be for the week by looking at the Google Calendar and how to join them. So it might look a little different on your end just because I have the teacher view, but if you go to the classwork page, you should see a Google Calendar option, and when you click on it, you will see the calendar show up on here. So like this is what I have going on this week. To join something, so for example, tomorrow at 1 o'clock we have a show and tell pets edition where you can show off any animals that you own or come to meet other people's pets or just come to see us live tomorrow. You'll click on it, it will open up, you'll click join Hangouts Meet, and then it will take you to the link here and it will kind of walk you through how to set it up. It'll make sure your camera's working, it will make sure your video is working, and when you're ready to join, you click join now. Right now it says no one else is here because this doesn't start till tomorrow. And then each day, starting next week, we'll have something different going on. There will also be stuff like about community circle, so that will be every Friday from starting at 2. Different activities to check out. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Otherwise, hope to see you tomorrow.